Amy wandered on his way along the banks of Tweed. Bonny lass as ever was came walking through the field. Young Jamie smiled his heart beheld by the beauty he surveyed. With her glass of port the lass and this the bird did say, "Oh lassie, hear what brings you here all by yourself to roam." I hear she cried her straight and wide, and I must bring them home. Was on my way to town today, for there's so good to see. You're so sweet, so trembling, I'll seek the use for ye. Once she planned to give her hand, but like the youth's intent, o'er the dale or hill and vale right merrily she went. The birds sang sweet, the pair to greet, and love through all around. As she walked of love she talked, and the joys that lovers found. Rose to noon and zenith of its power. To a shade the steps they made to pass, and then